The beauty of nature, breathtaking scenery, peaceful landscapes, and relaxing views.
Dolphins sing at dawn's silent break. Waters hum like a mystic quake. Waves whisper tales old and true.
Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein.
Roar the world's debut. Harmony.
The earth has music for those who listen.
Nature's song waves amplify. Every crest
In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. John Muir. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The mountains are calling, and I must go. John Muir. Nature is the art of God. Dan Alighieri.
where mysteries hide. Dolphins guide through currents wide. Their song beacon light.
Keep close to nature's heart. And break clear away once in a while.
Waves like drums in a steady play.
To walk in nature is to witness 1,000 miracles.
Night to day. Dolphins call in pure delight. Melody
Leave the road. Take the trails. Pythagoras.
Harmony of sea and sky. Nature's song waves amplify. Every quest a note embraced in this symphony where
If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Vincent van Gogh. Every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The best view comes after the hardest climb. Universinet Travel.